What's up, everybody? We are back with another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shatti. And today I am here at Bon Vivant. This is a restaurant, cafe sort of deal here in Glendale. Today I'm gonna try out the vegan veggie pita. Let's see if Bon Vivant puts any unique spin on vegan veggie pita. All right, guys, we've got our veggie pita right here. First impressions are, I'm a little skeptical, not gonna lie to you. I like the colors we're working with here. I like the diced carrots. We've got a lot of orange. I think I see radishes here with a little pinkish purple. You got cucumbers bringing some green. I'll be real with you though, it's not looking the most appetizing. I'll keep it a buck. The pita looks nice. I like this kind of toasted pita. So far the pita's selling me, but the vegetables inside the pita, I'm a little more skeptical on. It looks healthy, but I don't know if it looks tasty. Let's find out. This right here, this veggie pita ain't it. It ain't it. I feel like I'm biting into a vegetable patch. Really, the only flavor I'm getting out of this is this dressing that they have. The dressing brings a little bit of a savory, tangy, fresh flavor to it. There's no doubt this is very healthy. I need flavor, I need taste. The pita bread's a hit. I like the pita bread a lot. You're really only getting flavor from the pita bread and the dressing. Outside of that, you're looking at cucumbers, radish, and diced carrots. And I don't feel like it'll be all that filling. A healthy option for sure. You're not gonna catch me ordering this. I'll keep it a buck with you. All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode. Thank you.